In the last year, AI saved me hundreds of hours, and I'm not talking about, hey, GPT, write me an email. And today I want to share at least 10 of my best practices or cases where I use AI and it helps a lot and changes everything. Starting from the most ridiculous one and going all the way to the very top one. Number 10, PlayStation. Who would have guessed? I think I'm too old for PlayStation games. I always think that there are way too many games that I've missed. I don't know about you, but I have such a strong FOMO. Every time I open social media, I see a new game and I'm like, I need to buy this game, I need to finish it in one sitting. And every time I do buy a new game, it takes me like 20 minutes till I be in a spot where I don't know what to do. So what I do is I take my phone and I take picture of this freaking Spider-Man falling from the skyscraper for the 100th time. And I just ask Claude, what do I do here? Nothing else, just a picture of my screen with the Spider-Man falling from the skyscraper. And a matter of fact, Claude helps a lot. It gives you a simple instruction of what to do in the game based on a really freaking one picture. So you don't need to go through these YouTube videos and first of all, find the right YouTube video and then find the right spot where the same situation happens and then you realize what to do. No. Number 9, personalized workout plan. My every morning starts with two things. I read my Bible and pray, and then I work out. So while I do first, the Claude prepares the second. So by the time the workout starts, I have a plan, personalized plan based on what my goals are, what I did yesterday, how my sleep was, what I ate. Whatever you do, whatever your goals are, just share it with your AI. Number 8, home budget. We use Claude as a best financial advisor in our family. We talk about everything. It knows everything. It has all the context, our income, our spend, our monthly payments, whatever we do with finances, Claude gives the best advice and keeps us accountable. Number 7 is my work brief. When I come back to start my working day, I already have a complete brief of today. Because Claude has this thing that called connectors, when you can basically connect different tools to your AI agent Claude. In my case, I connected Gmail, my calendar, ClickUp, Slack if you use it, ClickUp not only tasks but also chat in it. Whatever you use, over 100 connectors, different official connectors that allows you to pull the data from all these different apps and write data to all these different apps. When you have different tools that you use daily and there's a lot of information going around there, trust me, you want to have a brief that will highlight the most important things. There are a lot of those little things that it can do that just improves your productivity dramatically. Number 6 is YouTubing. If you're into creative production, any kind of production, videos, pictures, you do need AI. You're missing out a lot if you're not using AI in your production process. With that said, it's fair to say that video production is the least optimized for AI. Yes, we're starting to have all these plugins for Adobe, for Apple, for DaVinci that will automate a lot of different things, but at this point I tried a lot of those, even paid ones, and I think the Remotion skill for Claude is the way to go now, and pay attention to it, just because it's not perfect. It does the job like 60 to 70%. No magic happens, unfortunately, at this point. So what it can do right now, and it does it pretty good, again, 70-75% perfection. It can sync a lot of different audio sources with your video that has a lot of audio source. So if you're filming on a camera and you have microphone and then you have another camera, so all this thing to synchronize, it takes a lot of time in Premiere. It doesn't take any time in Anthropic. Second, it can find the best takes and cut them out and leaving your timeline with only good takes. Now, again, the accuracy is 50%. like, it's the worst part right now. No matter how I tried to explain what the best take is and how I film, and that it still doesn't get it. But it does the job. It cuts down like 30 minutes video to 8 minutes video, and then you have to export it to Adobe Premiere and then finish the job there. It can add captions, it can add like animation. If you don't know how to do this manually, you will take advantage of it. You can do a lot of things. And in terms of like social media, you can probably see that there's a lot of Instagram carousels where they have like fancy graphic, infographic, tags. Trust me, this is like 3 minutes job. And the text in it, the graphics in it, it's all AI. And the last thing I will say is that it is very time saving to do videos in bulk. Like in my case, for my job, I do one shooting day where I film like 15 short form videos, and then I will upload everything and it will do all the magic in bulk. Like you do one video, you teach it what you want, and then you say, do the same thing for the rest of the videos. So that's in bulk, saves tremendous amount of time. Next is YouTube SEO. It is a huge part of your work if you are a creative person doing YouTube or any general like business or work. We all have something to do with putting out there some content, text, images, videos. Whenever I'm done with video, I upload it to YouTube like I did with this one and do nothing else. Then I go to my Claude and say, you know the full context of this video, go to YouTube Studio and do everything and what it needs to be done. A name, description, cards, quizzes, tags, all of that, and then schedule the video. It will open the browser. There's a Chrome extension for Claude. It will open the browser and you will literally see on your screen that Claude clicks on things, adds captions, add names, descriptions, writes it down based on what your video is about because it has a full context. Every time it does that, it gets better and better because you feed more and more information like you don't do that, you do that. Next one, what I do is when I post a video in 2 days, I actually don't ask it. I have a skill that will be launched automatically whenever my computer is on. It will launch automatically on Wednesday, which is 2 days after I post. It will go to YouTube Studio. Since YouTube introduced its own AI in the studio, which is called Ask Studio, basically a chat-based AI that will have a full context of your channel, of your videos, and of YouTube algorithm, obviously. So what I would do is that Claude will go in 2 days, ask Google AI. So one AI will ask another AI, how did this video performed within these first 2 days? Ask YouTube will give back a lot of important feedback and recommendations. Claude will read those and will come back knowing all the job that we did before. Go and change this name, description, tags, whatever the YouTube Ask Studio will recommend. If there's a recommendation to change the thumbnail, Claude will generate a prompt for Nano Banana 2 or from Google or GPT Image 2. It will do a lot for me in order for me to pursue the highest results possible. I don't know what you think about this video. Please share in the comments, but in my opinion, this is the best video I ever shot in terms of video quality, lights, color, sound. Why? Just because I made a picture of my setup before I filmed this. And then I filmed 2 seconds, uploaded to my Premiere, got a screenshot of my frame, fed it to Claude and said, hey, what do I do? And it gave me so much good feedback. What do I need to change? This light put here, this looks like garbage and not the decoration. I basically did everything Claude told me and I love the outcome. And not only that, but Claude generated CUBE, which is actually a professional standard for LUT. And then when I did all that and applied this color correction file, this is the result I got. And it also can do it based on a reference file. If you like a YouTuber that you've been watching for a while, or you like the picture or whatever, You can feed this picture and say, hey, let's try to get as close as possible to this kind of image. Moving on to the next one, marketing creatives. If you ever try to promote something online, product, a game, and anything, you definitely know that you're gonna be using Google ads, Meta ads, TikTok ads. All these things will launch advertisement campaigns for you, and they need creatives. And based on how good your creative pictures are and what's the message, what's the everything, like how good those pictures are, it will result in a good or bad result in terms of conversion, how many people will see it, how many people will click it, whatever. But also you then need to know how to make all these keywords. Like, I don't even understand most of the stuff that you need to know in order to be a good paid promo specialist, but Claude does. So not only we produce creatives with AI and launch it on all 3 platforms, but also Claude agent having all the API keys to all these accounts that we have on these platforms, it launches the best and the most performative and the most successful ad campaigns. It analyzes it, it changes creatives if you need to, if it has a feedback that those didn't work. It will also connect data from Google Search Console, Google Ads, Meta Ads, TikTok Ads, Google Search Console, and Google Analytics. 5 very huge instruments that you need to like have a PhD to understand all of that. You can connect it all to Claude and it will have the full picture of your advertisement work. What we see now whenever we finished all that is that how much data we didn't know. It is very, very valuable feedback about what works on our website, what doesn't, where our users are falling away, readable, understandable, and Claude puts it in a very, very powerful dashboard that you can tweak, you can see and understand, even though you don't understand these like instruments. And the 10th and the most important thing that saved us a lot of money and time. So we spent 3.5 years building a product that was great, and we sell it, we talk about it, we promote it, we're still working on it. But we decided to move everything to a vibe coding situation where very experienced engineers would use these modern tools, Claude Code specifically, to basically rewrite the whole thing in the way that will later on allow us to shoot new features left and right very quickly. Of course, there's a lot of bugs, a lot of things that need to be changed, but this is the most shifting moment for me. Like, my career is now divided on, you know, before and after, because as a product manager, as a CEO, as a co-founder of this product, I know all the history, how it was built, and now I know and I see how it was completely rebuilt in 2 months. It is just unbelievable. Now, a lot of discussion can take place about it, just because if we can build something very complicated in 2 months, then why not everyone else can build it? And if this is so simple and all these AI powerful tools are so powerful, then why would we even need any kind of tools but do everything in Claude? I don't know. I really don't know, and I'm partially scared. Not really a conspiracy theorist, but this thing is scary just because of one reason: how powerful it is, how smart it is, and how fast the development of this thing is. I'm more of excited than afraid, but let's calm everyone down in the comment section, or a fearmonger in the comment section, whatever you feel most. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.